A simple formula based algebraic problem. 1511 square minus 1489 square equal to what? Solution. First method. At first 1511 is equal to 1500 plus 11 square minus 1500 minus 11 square. Then 1500 is equal to A, 11 is equal to B. A plus B square minus A minus B square is equal to 4AB. 4AB, A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Then minus plus minus. Plus A square minus A square cancel, B square cancel is equal to 4AB. 4AB is equal to 4 into 1500 into 11 is equal to 66000.